At Outlier, you support the new era of digital infrastructure, or the Web 3.0, and you call it the Convergence stack. Could you tell us a little bit about Outlier's Convergence thesis and how the seed marketplace for conversational AI fits into all of this?
Yeah, sure. So it's great to chat to you finally. I'm a big fan of the content that you've been doing.
Okay, thank you.
And yeah, it's great to be able to talk about the project. We've been involved, to be honest, I'm not even sure. It's definitely more than 2 years. It might be slightly less than 3 years in the seed project. So we're really excited to see it coming to fruition after all the hard work of the team. And you're absolutely right. We kind of see seed and what it's trying to do in conversational user interfaces as a key component to the Convergence stack. Actually, the journey to arrive at what we now call the Convergence stack started 5 years ago when we founded Outlier, and about 3.5 years ago when we first wrote something called the Convergence thesis. We wrote a paper on it. And at that stage, it wasn't necessarily obvious, or as obvious as it is now, that blockchain and distributed ledger technology needed to be seen in the context of other technologies and how they interacted. And it was our belief that DLT became a powerful toolkit, especially with kind of programmable tokenized assets, smart contracts, to allow other technologies to scale. So that included IoT, but also looking at big data, and then of course machine learning and AI on top. And so the consistent thing for us across all of that was data. Ultimately, how we capture data, how we kind of care for the provenance of data, how we turn it into a commodity that can be traded in marketplaces, and ultimately how it can be used to kind of power machine learning and AI.